जॉईन जावपाचें कारण कितें आशिल्लें मुद्दम तुमचें?
काँग्रेस जॉईन जावपा म्हळ्यार पयलें तुका थँक्यू तूं येयल म्हणून. सो द बेसिकली काँग्रेस टू जॉईन इज वॉट वी फेल्ट इज द सिस्टम नीड्स अ चेंज. ओके एंड वी एक्सपेक्ट आम सदां म्हणटाय Congress has to change, things have to change, but unless we don't get into the system, how you expect a change? तुम भी तो सोना सो कैश कौन तो change मागोता? It does not happen in one night. So we took a step of like, okay, let's give it a chance. Let's show a better picture of it. Let's change the system. What is going on is really bad, and right now, only one motive right now in our brains we have kept is defeat BJP. No matter what, our only goal and aim is, my goal and aim is only one, to defeat BJP. कित्या इतू देखून distractions follow है, fed up. And how long are we going to come on roads?
But being, you can do all these things by getting everybody together. सगळ्या गोंयकारांक एकठांय पॉलिटिक्सानूच येवपाक जाय म्हणून तुमकां दिसता की पॉलिटिक्सानूच येयत जाल्यार हें सगळें जातलें आनी बाबा आपूण आपणाचें सोशल एक्टिविजम आहा तितून केल्यार जावपाना.
Social activism, see what you're saying, Kenzel, is correctly, what you're saying is right, but how many times has this government listened to us? कितू पाट आमगे आयकल तेमी केन्ना रस्त्याचेर येयल जाल्यार अरेस्ट. Nothing, there is no way of democracy, सदां तेमी आमकां कितू पाटी, you know very well how many times we have come on road and every time they have arrested us. So it is the time, I'm not saying that everyone has to get into politics, but at least someone has to take the initiative that this government has to be now shaken.
Okay.
You can't just be out and कितू थेम देखून how long?
4 महिने इलेक्शनाक उरल्या. How do you see yourself after you have joined Congress party?
See, 4 months are left, but we are not seeing what we want to win or lose. That is not the motive. The motive is the betterment of Goa. That is why we have said, आमचे सपन गोंयचे बरेपण. Our vision is that. Our vision is not, अरे जिको जाय हें करूं. It's not for us. It's for everyone. It's for the betterment of our Goa that we are here. And we have made it sure that our aim, my one aim as I told you, is to defeat BJP. And now I see only Congress that can give a tough fight.
Is it that you are trying to help Congress or you want to contest on a Congress?
See, if I'm given an opportunity and if Congress thinks that I'm fit enough, yes, I will definitely contest.
Is it only Benauli or you have thought about any other constituency?
No, only Benauli.
Oh, how would you compare yourself? It is not one to one. पूण 6-7 जाण तुमच्याच आसा, काँग्रेसानूच 4-5 जाण आसा, इंडिपेंडंट आसा, प्लस तुमचो आमदार आसा. सो तुमकां खंय पळयलो तो?
तेंच हांव तुका सांगत न्हू. I have left it, I have told you. If Congress feels that I am worth enough, okay, I leave the call on them. Okay. If they give me, I am seeing, and even if they don't, I will see my best to do for my constituency and for entire Goa. We have always come out. It's not only for my constituency, it's for entire Goa that we have stood. And we are not being so selfish that election only my constituency have to develop. No, it is today entire Goa is at stake. If we don't think, and if we don't think in a broader way, we will be selfish enough.
No, but entire Goa. बट तूं जिखतलो जाल्यार तुका एक कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी जाय आनी तूं बेनावली आसा. बेनावलीन तुमचे काँग्रेसाचे तितले जाण आसा. तिकेट तर एकल्याकूच दिवंक शकता. सो तेन्ना कितें?
तेंच हांवें तुका सांगितलां कॅन्सल की आय लीव इट ऑन द काँग्रेस.
दिना जाल्यार
I have told you that I leave it on Congress. If they don't feel that I'm this, I will work for my constituency still. My aim is to develop my constituency. To those people, to revive all our cultures back. No matter it is Toddy Dap or Fisherman Committee, Soglya, Potun, So this is what my aim is, to develop my constituency, to develop people who are there over here. Not like, Amdar Zale 500 ras nidole. That is heights of stupidity. Where you say that, 5 years I'm elected, I'm not thinking of people. We are here for the people.
You have confidence in Congress that they will give you a ticket. When you have people like Miki Pacheco, you have this Royla is there, Matu Asa, आनीक कोण आसतलो तुका
See, asking about confidence, I have still told people know better. Okay, people know who are deserving, who are not deserving, and as well Congress knows that. So that is why I have time and again told you that I leave it on Congress if they feel it's deserving, and people, it's the people's choice.
If not given, you won't no contest as an independent.
No, I won't.
You will be with Congress only.
Yes.
What are the issues that you look at in Banawali constituency? Which issues poitat?
There are many. It's not one or two. There are many issues in Banawali. Okay. We have never seen that Banawali constituency, the entire stretch from Kolva to Maubar, anything is developed. If you see today's road from Kolva, the entire stretch from the police station till the beach, totally, completely finished. Whereas we have an MLA in our constituency. Okay.
What are your plans if you get elected?
My plans are to listen. First of all, my motive is one, to listen to people's grievance, what they want, what is their, what they want in their own village, in their own constituency. I'm here to listen to them. It's not that they have to listen to me. I will be their elected representative, so I need to listen to them. My main important role is to take up their grievances, to know what is better for them.
When you have joined Congress, have you informed your higher Congress leaders saying that what you feel like, what tu kita alagon join data, whether you feel like contesting or you would like to work for the party in the constituency?
Yes, before I joined also I had a very healthy discussion saying that this is things that have to change within, and these are the things that we want, like as promised by Girish also. He has said after they come in power they are going to completely scrap the three-linear projects. That is what we want. See, if you see today's CC report, they have already given the Tamnar Sterlite this, that they have to go to 100 kV line. So why again 200 kV line? So why time and again BJP is going against the law? Today also they have put a notification out that they are going carry on with the Tamnar project. Why? When the court, the law, the CC has given you the guidelines, why are you going against the law? That means we are not in a democracy world.
How much of social activism will help you in your political career?
Frankly speaking, Kenzel, you call me social activism, okay? I don't see that way, because आज लोकांना know today if you tag them as activists and all now, I tell you frankly speaking, people have lost that hope earlier also. Every person has to voice up. Unless people don't voice up, no, system does not change. And the system still remains the same because they know that someone else is going to speak for me. It shouldn't be like that. Everyone who feels that this is wrong has to voice up. The people should not have fear in voicing up.
Okay.
That is what I mean.
What message to your voters in Banawali when you say that if given an opportunity I would contest?
Yeah. The message for my Banawali constituency people is like, I am here to listen to your grievances. I am here to stand for y'all, not for my benefits. I am here for my constituency as well, the destructions, what is happening in Goa. We need a change now. And I think you all know it better. If you all need a better 5 years, everything is in your hand. तुम क्या आती यहाँ? येते 5 वर्ष तुम बस जाय. तुमच भाशेन तुम जाय की तुमचे मध्ये कोण निवडून हाडलो. तुमगे आयकपाचो. जाल्यार हे तुमगे हाती सोटा येते 5 वर्ष.
Till when you would like to wait for Congress answer whether you are given a ticket or not?
I am actually not waiting for anything because मुगे कित काम करपा हा ते हांव कोतोलें. I am not going to wait when are they going to declare or anything. But I believe that every party, like usually they speak up their leaders out early because people know that okay, this is the person. Or else it is like last moment, there's a glitch.
Have you told your party leaders that you are interested in contesting from Banawali?
In fact, as I told you, discussions I had told if given an opportunity, definitely I'm willing to contest in my constituency,
so
to give it my best.
So you will keep a wait and watch game?
Yes, I'll give it a wait and watch. But as I said, as the party gives me the permission, I am ready to contest because I am full on with my 100%. It's not about, I told you earlier also, it's not about me, it's about we. It's about the people of my
If
constituency.
not given a ticket, you won't jump in and join another party or
No
something. No.
ways. We are not those paid souls. We are never ever going to jump in any party. And the people has the entire full authority to question me tomorrow, to come at my doorstep and ask me if such things occur, which I give 101% guarantee that it will never happen.